Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get your American Airlines boarding pass directly on your phone in 2025. Super quick and super easy. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have the American Airlines mobile app installed on your phone. If you already have it, double check that it's updated to the latest version. Next, open the app and sign into your account. Once you're in, you land on the main menu. Simply slide up to access the options. Now tap on Find Flight. Enter your name and the flight code exactly as shown on your booking. Hit search and your flight details will pop up. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the boarding pass option. Tap on it and boom, your mobile boarding pass appears under your flight status. From here, you can not only view your boarding pass but also manage your flight. Change the date, cancel, and check for updates all in one place. And that's it. As long as you're using the latest version of the app and enter the correct flight info, you'll have the full access to your boarding pass on your phone. No printing, no stress. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this. Catch you on the next one.